Suspend a weight with a light string to make a simple pendulum. Pull the weight to one side and then release it. Start a stopwatch when the weight reaches the highest position and measure the time taken for the pendulum to swing one cycle. Now measure the time taken again for the pendulum to swing 10 cycles. Estimate the time taken for one cycle. Suppose the overall reaction time in starting and stopping the stopwatch is 0.4 seconds. What are the percentage errors in the two results? Which one is more accurate?